My name is Paul Romano. I'm the COO and head of all quality for Fusion Worldwide. At Fusion Worldwide, quality is end-to-end, from engagement to sourcing and buying to inspection, test, services, and delivery. Quality is end-to-end at Fusion. To continue to build on that, in February of 2022, we acquired Prosemi, the largest test house in Singapore. After we closed, we moved Prosemi from its original 4,900 square foot facility to this new 26,500 square foot facility. So we have plenty of room for expansion to add additional test and service capabilities. So now we're going to go into the test center itself. To get in, you have to pass ESD compliance testing. You need to pass with both your footwear and wrist strap. The Prosemi facility is ESD compliant and ANSI ESDS 20.20 certified. We have grounded flooring, grounded benches. Everybody has their own personal grounding equipment. The facility is temperature and humidity controlled 24 hours a day. And there's high security. There are cameras everywhere. There's controlled access. Everybody's checked in and checked out. Things start the process at receiving. Product comes in here and it's received into our system. We track it using a barcode so we know exactly where everything needs to go and what needs to be done with it. It's put into the system and that barcode stays with the product as it goes through the entire process here at Prosemi. The process normally starts with external visual inspection. External visual inspection is one of the most important parts of the entire process, and everything goes through EVI here at Prosemi. We look at a number of different things when we're doing external visual inspection. We pull data sheets from a number of different sources, including IHS and Silicon Expert. We pull PCNs, end-of-life notices. We use key and scopes to view everything under magnification. We compare the markings against the data sheet as well as against prior receipts or golden samples. We're looking at top, bottom, and side. We're doing acetone, scrape to the devices to make sure there's no coating on any of the devices. We look at the leads, top, bottom, side, front, to make sure there's clean forming marks, no signs of handling or use, and no signs of oxidation. And we take hundreds of digital photos as we go through this process here at the Prosemi test house. We use Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. That uses infrared energy to determine the organic compounds on the surface of a device. We then compare that to a golden sample or prior device to determine if the organic compounds are the same. A scanning electron microscope is a valuable tool in capturing counterfeit devices. With high magnification, you can clearly see differences between a coating and the regular surface. We use a scanning electron microscope to capture that, as well as to determine the elemental analysis of what's in that device. It's an incredible tool with magnification up to 100,000x. The photographs from the SEM analysis show us very quickly whether devices have been coated or tampered with. It's an exceptional tool that we use to analyze the parts that come through. Then we have electrical test. With our electrical test, we build our own boards and maintain a large inventory of boards so we can perform a wide range of testing. We have a wide range of sockets as well. We have the ability to do electrical testing at varying temperatures, at high temperatures, low temperatures, and at ambient temperature. We use this device to heat up the parts, the sockets, and the boards to be able to conduct that electrical testing. We can perform simple curve trace, open and short testing, more complex parametric testing, and we can do functional testing. We can test a wide range of devices here at Prosemi. We have significant test engineer experience here at Prosemi. We have significant destructive and non-destructive testing in our labs. In this room, we perform X-ray analysis and XRF. We have 2 XRF machines, so we can tell if devices are RoHS or non-RoHS. We also have 2 X-ray machines. And with our X-ray, we're looking at a number of things. We're looking at the bond wires, lead frame, and die size. We're comparing that to a golden sample or prior. We're looking for any anomalies, any broken bond wires, any tangled bond wires. X-ray gives us an opportunity to see inside of the device without opening it up. In the chemical lab, we do heated chemical tests using solvents Dynasol 750 and N-methyl 2-pyrrolidine to remove hardened-on coatings on devices. We have a steam age equipment here to steam age parts, and then an automated solderability tester that performs dip and look in a very controlled environment to the J standard 002. So in our destructive analysis lab, we do decapsulation using a Nicene jet etch machine. Notice everything in here is vented out for safety, same as in our chemical lab. We use this machine to grind down the device so we can view a cross-section of any device. We have the ability to do decapsulation in a number of different forms, including chemical decap using acids, as well as an ashing oven where we can do decap using heat. Once the die is exposed, it's analyzed. Information is pulled off of it, and it's compared to our die database. We have one of the world's largest die databases and compare against that die database and priors. We provide a detailed report that showcases everything that's been done. All of the testing, sampling, the results, digital photographs, so the customer has at their fingertips a record of everything that's been done and all of the results, all encapsulated in that report. In addition to inspection, electrical test, the destructive and non-destructive testing we do, Prosemi offers a significant level of services. So we can do strapping, vacuum sealing, and dry packing. We maintain one of the largest inventories of tape and reel supplies in the region. We can do tape and reeling going from tray, tube, to reel. We have automated equipment that will do 10,000 components an hour that will verify coplanarity and proper placement within the tape automatically. We have a whole series of manual taping machines as well, so we can essentially do any tape and reeling job that's needed. We have a large IC programming section. We can do manual programming of ICs. We also have automated programming equipment that allows us to program a significant number of ICs automatically and test to ensure the program is properly installed on the device. We also have laser marking to make sure the program codes are marked on the devices. We can do baking of devices. We have slow bake, low temperature ovens, as well as faster bake, high temperature ovens that can be used to bake any components. Prosemi offers a significant level of inspection, test, destructive and non-destructive analysis, and services.